Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Sulfa's World, and this is Ashana. Today I am meeting you up with another new recipe. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make fish roast buns. Now let's start. First, I am gonna activate the yeast. Get about 5 grams of dry yeast and 120 ml of lukewarm milk. Mix them together and keep aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is an important tip. We use lukewarm water or milk to activate the yeast quickly because it differs due to our climate. So if you are in a cool climate, the yeast will take much time to get activated. Now transfer the flour into a mixing bowl. Add some salt to taste and the yeast mixture. And now start kneading the dough, adding an egg to it. I have taken about 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Now knead the dough for about 15 to 20 minutes until the ingredients get combined well, and also till it becomes a soft and a smooth dough. You can also use water to knead the dough. Using milk in kneading doughs, you will get a nice golden brown color texture. Adding milk is a baking secret of getting the color. Add a little bit of water if the dough is too tight. Keep kneading the dough. Kneading the dough for a long time will make your buns more softer. And finally, I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter and kneading it for about another 10 minutes. And also you can feel the softness of the dough while kneading it. Form a smooth and a bit sticky dough. Now cover the bowl with a plastic wrap or a piece of cloth and keep it in a warm spot until the dough has doubled in size for about 1 hour. And this is exactly after an hour, so that you can see the rise in dough. Make some medium-sized balls and rest it for another 10 minutes. And roll them into some medium-sized circles. Now make 4 slit cuts in the corners, leaving the center as I am showing you. You can make any kinds of fillings as per your wish. Now place the fillings in the middle. Apply some beaten eggs on the edges so that you can paste it easily. Now I am going to show you how to fold and get the shape of a rose flower. Now follow the steps accordingly. necessary, you can shape the petals using a fork as I am showing you. Now the rose buns are ready. Place them on a greased baking tray. Drop some tomato or chili sauce in the middle if you wish to. Glaze the roses with a beaten egg to get a nice texture. And finally, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top before baking them. Preheat the oven for 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you are a sausage lover, you can use sausages too, but I will show you another way to fold it. Roll the dough and form an oval shape. Place the sausages in the middle. Now give some slit cuts in the edges. Apply some beaten eggs and start plaiting it as I am showing you. You can get a shape of a fish and bake them too. Now the baked buns are ready. Hope you like this recipe. We'll catch you soon with another new video. Until then, see you and bye bye.